You have entered the world of A Mills TV. Welcome back to the channel. Before we start this video, hit the subscribe button. You know where it says subscribe. Y'all hit it. Y'all go hit the notification bell so y'all be notified when your boy A Mills, which is me, make a video. Comment, subscribe to everybody you know about your boy. He doing reaction videos. We gonna do not collaborations, at least not yet. We gonna do challenges, and soon, maybe when in the near future, I do vlogs. But right now, you know, I'm very small of subscribers. But I'm my goal. I'm gonna get there. So go 10,000, get there. But at the same time, I want people to gravitate and like me, unlike what I'm talking about. But enough of that. This your boy, A Mills. I said it again. And today's video is going to be different from what I usually talk about. As you can see in the title, life as a parent. As, being a parent. But this is for like the male perspective. What I thought life as a parent was going to be, man. I'm telling you, it's not what you think. But it's like it's pros and it's cons. But it's really not. The cons is, I'm already thinking like, hey, like hopefully he don't get in trouble because I have a son. But it's just, I'm just talking from my perspective, that what I thought it was, that you have money, you good. Nah, it's not like that. But it's not bad. Like I said, it's not bad. You gotta be patient. That's like the main thing of like all this whole video. I might keep saying is patience, because you're thinking you feed him the bottle, you change his diaper, you shake him, to rattle him to sleep, and he or she will still be crying. You be like, what's going on? Like, I did everything I can, and the baby's still crying. But you gotta understand, it's patience. Baby, just here, his brain or her brain is fully developed, and you gotta learn how to, it takes time. So, I mean, my girl, she already has a kid, so she kind of knew things. And the way I was holding him, it was like I had, I was holding him, but it was just, it's like I didn't know. I wasn't doing it wrong on purpose, but it's things I had to get taught because I didn't know. But like I said, he's 3 months, so I'm slowly but surely learning, the process of how to hold him, times he go to sleep. But before, it'd be times when it's like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, I just got off of work, and I'm like, dude, you still up? And you don't want to go to sleep? And he'll just look at me, he'll just laugh, and I'm like, I'm tired. I mean, I tried everything, but after a while, it's like he knows now. Like, I changed his diaper and stuff like that. It's like you slowly graduate and know what you're doing, and you like I said, you will get there, but it's gonna take time. It's like in the beginning, all the baby does is sleep. You gonna love it, and when the people say get your sleep while you can, for real. Like I said, when I fast forward to the video, well, rewind what I was saying when I said he at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, you just got up, and it's like he or she just gonna be looking like, okay, it's time to play, and it's for you, it's time to go to sleep. And like I said, once you would learn to, I can't say what it is from mom, because I'm a dad, but I love it, man. It's just like I'm gonna be here to mold him, to make him the best man as he is. Like I said, I ain't saying I grew up in a bad neighborhood or anything, but I didn't have the best life. But like I said, I learned from my past to, it's not their person's fault. The person treats you wrong, you gotta take that and just put it positive, man. Because like I said, people can break you down. They can say anything. Oh, I don't know how many people said, oh, you got a baby? If anybody know me, I guess you could say I'm immature. I'm childlike, meaning like I don't be all in that negative stuff. But at the same time, it's like I'm a dad. I gotta learn, and I'm slowly but surely learning. I love him. I mean, he's 3 months, you know, shots and stuff. And like he knows who I am, you know. I mean, when he's around, it's like he cool with me one day, and then he go back to his mom, and it's like, man, I can't wait till you grow up. I'm gonna let him do what he want. No, came out wrong. I'm gonna let him, you know, choose his path of what he want to do in life. And it's just right now he in the young stages, so I shouldn't even think that far. He ain't even 1 year old. He ain't even 4 months. He about to be 3 months, but it's just a process, man. It's like I'm trying to touch everything it is to be a dad, but it's fun. It's like it's always good to have two parents, you know. Not even necessarily the real dad, but then it's like a man and a woman and a baby should always have, you know, a solid foundation of the mom and dad. Because like I said, no matter how good the mom is, it's certain things that a mom can't do to understand that, you know, a man, like, she can't be a man and a man can't be a woman. But it's like, it's always good. It's like a lot of times in this age that we are now, it's a lot of single moms. But it's you know, I want to bring them together just to saying like, hey, it's for the kid, you know. I don't want to get too deep, far off track, but like I said, it's fun, you know. But I'm 29, you know. I waited to have a kid. Well, nobody wants to have a kid. Wanted to have a kid with me, but that ain't got nothing to do with it. But it's like now that I have a kid, it just changed my life, man. It makes me think about different things. Like, okay, well, I can't go buy a pair of shoes, or I can't do this, or you know, you want to spoil him or her. You know, you want to give them this, you want to give them that. I'm telling you, it's a life changer. It could do good, and at the same time, it can do bad for the person, because the person that always wanted something, you can't keep up that lifestyle if, you know, you ain't got no money. You know, the formula, the wipes, the diapers is always good. You know, I'm thinking like, all right, I bought 2 boxes of wipes. I mean, 2 boxes of what's some things called? Pampers. And Pampers, I mean, it's here, use 6 of them in a day, or 6 of them in an hour. I'm like, but like I said, I love being a dad. You know, I want more kids, but like I said, right now, I got one, you know, stepchild, and I got one, you know, my real son, and I love them both. I just love them both. But, you know, I'm just saying, life of a dad, you gonna love it. It's just like, you got to be invested. You got to be into it. Even if the mom and y'all get together, be in a child's life. It's very important to be in a child's life, because it makes a difference. Like, I'm not trying to judge you or say this or that, but it's like always the good to make a connection if you're not together. I mean, if they taking money out of your check for child support, I mean, it's going for your child. I know some girls, they use it for different things, but I don't even know why I even said that part, but because it's, you know, it's all going to something else. But I'm gonna stick on the topic and not keep going away. But life of a dad, I love it. It makes you change for the best, hopefully. And just, man, it's just like, man, it's like, I don't know, it's like you want to just give him or her the best. And it's like, I don't know one word to put it to a life of a dad, of how it is. It's just, for me, I'm just ripping and ramming. You know, I don't even think y'all understand what I'm saying, but let me hurry up and get done, because, you know, I'm going all over the place. But for real, being a dad, I just love it. I don't really know what to say, but I love it. Just come in with a positive mindset. This is your seed. You can mold them or her to, you know, be the best person they could be. You know, be patient when they're young. Talk to them. Don't talk to them. Yell at them like they're of age, because they're young and they don't know. Their brain haven't developed. They might see, like my son, he'll see, you know, his sister get in trouble and he'll laugh. And you think like that's what people do now, but it's like he's young, so he don't know right from wrong or anything. So like I said, it's a process. Be patient, patience. and just put God in it. You know, God to help you. You know, ask people. And there's nothing wrong with asking. You know, fathers that you see that's good. Ask them everything you know, because like I said, I don't know everything. So I asked my brother. You know, he got kids, and you know, I asked father figures that's good, so I can mold my son into a better person of me. And just like I said, I don't know everything about being a dad. I'm still learning. My son is only 3 months, so it's a process. Like I said, ripping and rambling. I'm about to end this video, but like I said, y'all can subscribe, comment, share, turn on the notification bell to let y'all know when your boy, me, make a video.
It's putting on it too. Time. Did it too. Did it too. Ooh, did it too. Get it too.